My family loves road trips and outdoor adventure, so I was looking for heavy-duty roof rails for my 2019 Honda Pilot. Come unbox and install them with me. The package arrived in good condition and everything was wrapped neatly in bubble wrap. It comes with the front crossbar, the rear crossbar, the crossbar mounting brackets, and all the hardware needed to install them. I'm a visual person, so I first laid it all out in the grass how it was going to go on the car. This is the front crossbar. It's a little bit longer than the rear crossbar. The round sides of the crossbar faces to the front and the pointy side faces to the rear. The crossbar mounts are also labeled, so left side is the driver's side, right is the passenger side, and there's arrows pointing to the front. Next, I applied the sponge pads to all of the mounting brackets. Now we're ready to put the mounting brackets onto the crossbar. For this step, you use the Allen key to loosen the screws, and then you put the mounting bracket onto the crossbar and screw it back on, but you want to leave it a little bit loose because you may need to adjust it to the size of your car. You want to make sure that the washer goes in between the screw and the mounting bracket. Now you just repeat this step on all four sides. Once all four mounting brackets are on the crossbars, you're ready to install. I do want to note that my car did have these plugs that needed to be removed. I needed to use a drill for this step. Here's what the drill bit looked like, and here's what the caps look like. Now it's time to install. So first I carried the front bar over and placed it on top, and then I grabbed the rear crossbar and placed that on top as well. I'll adjust them in a second. So the cross rail attaches to the roof rails by 2 bolts on either side. You want to put the bolt through the washer, through the gasket, and then through the cross rail and into the roof rails. And then you just use the Allen key to screw it in tight. You want to make sure that the gasket is rotated so that it fits into the hole. I honestly found it easiest to just climb right on top of the car and do it. Once everything is secure and in place, you're going to want to go back and tighten the mounting brackets. And then check all 4 mounts again to make sure they're secure and tight. And there we go. The roof rack is steady and ready for use. It took me about 20 minutes to install by myself. They look great on the car, and I'm so excited for adventures this summer. I plan to use it to hold up my paddleboard as well as extra luggage when we travel.